Before watching the video, I invite you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Are you worried about your cholesterol? You have every reason to be concerned because high cholesterol is a risk factor for serious and life-threatening diseases. But before you get heart disease like atherosclerosis or an acute heart attack, your body gives you signals that may indicate high cholesterol. Before starting the video, tell me, what is your cholesterol level? When was the last time you had a blood test? In today's video, you'll learn about 5 fruits that can lower high cholesterol. Plus, they're cheap and easy to find. Stay until the end of the video because we will show you some signs to look out for if you're worried about high cholesterol. Avocados are among the best fruits for high cholesterol, as they are a rich source of antioxidants and monounsaturated fats, which keep your heart healthy and reduce the risk of stroke. Therefore, they are highly recommended for patients with high blood pressure. Besides, this fruit can also regulate LDL and HDL cholesterol levels, as well as triglycerides in the blood. Citrus fruits in general, such as oranges, lemons and grapefruits, are excellent fruits for high cholesterol, and also help reduce symptoms of high blood pressure, which can delay the onset of atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries. They may also reduce the risk of stroke in women. From maintaining healthy skin to healthy digestion, apples are a great health food for many reasons, including the fact that they can help control your cholesterol levels. Apples also protect your heart muscles and blood vessels. Papaya is a fiber-rich fruit that helps control blood pressure and to regulate the levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, in the blood. This is why it is considered one of the best fruits for lowering cholesterol. Watermelon is an excellent ally for the heart and against bad cholesterol. The fresher and more delicious it is, the quintessential summer fruit is a valuable natural aid against heart disease, because it lowers the level of bad cholesterol, LDL, and control their weight. Unfortunately, the symptoms of high cholesterol only appear when damage has already been done. When certain arteries are clogged with cholesterol, the parts of the body connected to it may feel pain. For example, if the arteries in the legs are clogged, this can cause pain when walking. Here are the 10 signs of high cholesterol that you should not ignore. 1. Inflammation and numbness of the extremities. 2. Bad breath. 3. Feeling of heaviness and indigestibility. 4. Nausea and headaches. 5. Eye problems. 6. Constipation. 7. Chest pain. 8. Weakness and fatigue. 9. Skin issues. 10. Food intolerances. If you have more than one of these symptoms, it is important to see a doctor and have your blood cholesterol levels checked. So, did you like today's tip? Did you learn something new? Tell me about it in the comments. Also, share this information with your loved ones. I wish you a good health.